Hello, viewers who are watching my online class and the students of class 9 of Janakolan High School. I hope in this corona pandemic you are well. I am also well. Now I am going to give a presentation in English grammar for class 9 students. I hope all the students are ready to enjoy my class. Dear students, the previous day I have discussed on degree. Several rules I have discussed, especially adjective and a rules. Now today I shall discuss another rules. So carefully you enjoy my class and keep some papers and pen so that you can note down some important things. You are watching rule 2 on the blackboard. Please write in your script. Here, superlative degree, then comparative, then positive. Here is some similarity between superlative degree and comparative degree. You follow me. Here is subject, here is also subject, verb. And the specific part of superlative degree, here is a specific part of comparative degree. On the other hand, positive degree is completely different between two previous degrees. So I haven't written them serially. I kept I have kept here first superlative, after that comparative and positive for understanding good for you. Now you write superlative degree, subject plus verb plus the, except the meaning of superlative form. Superlative degree form, that means est or most form. After that, of all, this is important thing for you, of all, and then extension or বাংলায় বাকি অংশ. After that, comparative degree, subject, verb, comparative form, that means CF. Then its own characteristic, then all other. Then all other is own characteristics of comparative degree. After that, extension or baki অংশ. Here is positive degree, no other plus extension or baki অংশ. Here it will be singular number. You must put here singular number. Previous two sentences, NP2, previously I said NP1, NP2. NP2 must plural, NP2 must plural. But at the moment, after no other, we have to use only singular form, NP1. I think you have understood well. After that, verb and as positive form. Here, that means positive form as, after that, subject. I hope you have written on your script. Now, I shall write an example here. Rose is the best of all flowers. I have written a sentence here. Rose is the best of all flowers. You will follow here the specific form of all. Whenever you see here of all, that instantly you make decision which rule can be used. That means this rule you will use. My sentence is rose is the best of all flowers. Certainly, this is a comparative degree. Here is best, and we can uh, recognize it after watching. Recognize best. Best. We can recognize this is superlative degree. So now turn into it comparative degree. Here is role. I can make simulation in this role. Here is role subject. After that verb be accept. That means superlative form of all and extension or Bangla called baki ongsho. Now write down in your script. So now comparative. At first subject unchanged. No change is required. Rose. Here is first subject or subject. After that verb. As usual, I set here is after that comparative form. You will certainly know that the comparative form of best. That means better, good, better, best. Previous class I discussed all the adjective which is very essential or needed for you. So best, good. No, better. Here is better. Rose is better. Then, if you follow this rule, you can easily change this sentence. Rose is better than all other. Here is all other. After that, extension or baki ongsho. What is extension? Flowers. Here is only flowers. I think all of you have understood. Now, number 3, that means positive. If you practice yourself, I think you need not any help from me. Only you can change this sentence yourself. Now, the first you can put no other. Positive, no other. We know after no other, we have to put only singular number. If and P1 plural in another 2 sentence. So here is flowers. Everybody follow. Here is flowers. Here is flowers. That means plural number. But we know after no other, only singular number can be used. So flowers will be turned into flower. Only flower. Here is only flower. Where is S? Because this is singular number. So no other flower. After that, baki ongsho. That means extension. What is? Yes, we have already written, and singular also verb. Here is verb is. Okay, is. No other flower is after that as after that positive form. Do you know the positive form of best? I think all of you will uh, do. This is good. No other flower is as good as subject. Here is subject rose. This is very easy. You have to practice more and more at your home. Whenever you will find any sentence, you have to practice yourself, especially of all other. But the sentence is similar. The first rules, uh, the previous class I have done. Uh, I use also no other. This is same. I think you have written this rule and you have also completed the three sentences. So move to another rule. Rule 3 now. Dear students, I am continuing this class in English. If you don't understand, please comment. This is an English class, so I have to speak in English. If you do not like it, after that or next class, I shall continue it in Bengali. Okay. Now superlative. Here is superlative. As usual, put here subject. After subject, this is very common verb. One of the subject plus verb plus one of the superlative form বাকি অংশ right here in Bengali বাকি অংশ, that means complement or extension. Now as usual, subject plus verb. After that comparative form, that then here is another thing, most other. I have written one of most other, very few, which is singular and which is plural. I announced you in the previous class. Subject plus verb plus comparative form plus then most other plus বাকি অংশ or extension. Now positive. Here is very few. You must memorize this. One of most other, very few, and their spelling. Very few plus বাকি অংশ or object or extension. I have written here বাকি অংশ in Bengali because only for you help you can easily recognize it. What is বাকি অংশ? And then after degree, the special phrase is called বাকি অংশ. Very few plus বাকি অংশ plus verb. Here is important comment. Very few plus baki অংশ plus bar. This bar will be plural because we have already written here very few. After very few, after one of, after most other, if it needs any bar, this will be plural. So very few বাকি অংশ bar plural. As positive form, fear positive form, subject. Okay, I have completed 3 rules: past superlative, comparative, positive. You must remind it, this is very important rule, and previously of all this was also very important for you. If you know 2 rules well, I think you will make any question turn into positive, into superlative, superlative into comparative easily. These 2 rules must be required for you. You must know well. So now example, I am going to give you an example here. Dhaka is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Firstly, I have written a sentence. Dhaka is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. This is superlative. One of, here is subject, and then verb, one of the superlative form, and baki by extension as cities. Is it right? I think you will say okay. Now time for changing here. At first subject. At first subject. Here is Dhaka. Now you will put at first Dhaka. After that verb. Have you written yes or no? I don't know what you are saying. Dhaka is. After that, Dhaka is comparative form bigger. Then most other cities in Bangladesh. No more talking. You will make a solution by yourself, because here is all the explanation. Number 3 sentence, that means positive. Okay, at first very few. You are watching here very few. After that, cities in Bangladesh. The extension will be cities. Cities in Bangladesh. There is no space, so my sentence: very few cities in Bangladesh. Cities, here is cities, so I have to give here are, that means plural verb, as big as Dhaka. Okay, this will do. I think all of the students, if you practice like this, you will be efficient and all the critical sentence you will make solution easily. So, my dear students, I am taking this class weekly, almost 3 class. I shall show. Uh, I think all the students are watching my class. I need not any comment because I have to carry on my class. If you watch or not, but I try to my best to make understand you. So you must be careful to enjoy my class. No more today. I have to complete my class. So uh, I think uh, have a nice day. So thank you very much.